Congrats! Chosen for Mars migration. Depart 2029. Don't say no. Musk wants 1M to Mars. No hospitals. Stores back up. First colonists survive. Then have kids. Yes, Elon wants Mars babies. Humanity's second home sounds cultish, but NASA backed. Silicon Valley big shots bet triumph for humanity. Or history's deadliest bet? Why must Musk go Mars? Simple. Earth, asteroid, supervolcano, nukes, mutant virus. Any could wipe out humanity. We've put all eggs in one basket. Earth, now tip it. We're done. We need a backup. Only Mars works. Venus tops 400 degrees Celsius. Melts like Jupiter and Saturn are gas. Nowhere to land. Mars is hell, but solid. How hell? Surface pressure. Earth 101 kPa. Mars 0.6. Under 1%. Boiling point tracks pressure. Lower pressure means lower boiling point. Everest summit boils at 80 degrees Celsius. Rise. How low is Mars pressure? Water boils near temp. On Mars without a suit, your blood and fluids bubble. Vaporize your dead in seconds. Not sci-fi hype. Real physics. Mars air 96% CO2. Under 0.2. Humans need 16% oxygen. Under 6% suffocate fast. Mars has no oxygen. One breath and brain cells die within 3 minutes. Temperatures. Mars is half farther from the sun, getting only 43% energy. Air too thin. No heat. Extremes. Daytime near equator 20 degrees Celsius. After sunset, drop below 35 degrees Celsius. Hypothermia starts 32 degrees Celsius. Confused. Mars nights can kill unprotected life. Then radiation to Earth's two shields. Magnetism deflects solar particles. Atmosphere absorbs cosmic rays. Mars lost both shields. Core cooled. Field vanished. Air nearly gone. Cosmic rays rush in. Bombard. High energy particles break DNA. Long exposure. Cancer/cataracts. Scientists estimate a Mars year brings dozens times radiation. Plus soil. Mars red sand isn't just ugly. Perchlorates inside can disrupt thyroids and cause chronic poisoning long term. Worse, these sand grains are microns wide, smaller than PM2.5. Slip past filters into alveoli and cling. Corrodes gear. Fouls seals. 5 hells. Each scientifically. How does SpaceX send people? Starship monster. 120 meters tall. 7,500 tons thrust. Humanity's strongest rocket. Rockets are disposable after launch. Dumped at sea. Like scrapping planes. Costly? Starship is fully reusable. Booster returns after launch. Ship returns. Refuel. This cuts each launch to a few million. 10 to 100 multiplied by fuel matters. Starship burns oxygen and methane, not kerosene or hydrogen. Mars makes methane. Mars is CO2 rich. Buried ice supplies hydrogen. Turn CO2 to methane and water by electrolysis. ISRO is key tech for Mars colonization. This lets Mars make fuel No need to haul it from Earth. Hence one-way ticket. Earth to Mars return fuel costs too much. Eats payload. Gear, not fuel, make on Mars. But this system hasn't been tested on Mars. Operation unknown. If fuel fails, no one returns home. First settlers boarding Starship must accept they'll build their way home on Mars themselves. Progress? In 2024 to 25, Starship flew often. Booster landed on launch May 2025. Musk planned uncrewed starships to Mars 2026. If successful, depart 2020. Miss 2026's window. Wait 26 months. Earth and Mars align that often for launch. On Mars. Survive? Oxygen by machine. Bring electrolyzer. Melt ice. Split or electrolyze Martian CO2 directly to extract oxygen. NASA tested it on Perseverance. It makes oxygen. Still inefficient. Waters underground, Mars poles and mid-latitudes hide lots of ice. Dig 1 to 2. Dig ice. Melt. Filter impurities. Water is for drinking. Oxygen. Fuel. Crops. Waste none. Must recycle every indoor grown. Sealed modules use LEDs as sun. Nutrient solution replaces soil. Hydroponics is Earth proven. ISS Mars scaling is doable, but power hungry for light and climate. Sealed pods. Tunnel. Mars surface radiation is intense. Normal buildings can't stop it. Dig underground. Soil. Pile Martian soil outside. Meters thick blocks radiation. Survival's closed loop. Earth can't resupply here. Mars ranges 55 to 400 million km from Earth. Signals take 3 to 22 minutes. Text for help. Replies may take an hour. In emergencies. Far off aid. SpaceX aims for a self-sufficient million-person Mars city, needing 1,000 plus starships total. One batch every 26 months. Delivering a million takes decades or centuries. Multi-generation mega project. Grander than pyramids plus wall. Worth it? Musk calls Starship Noah's Ark. If Earth fails, Mars holds humanity's crazy. But logic holds. Dinosaurs lasted 160 million years. Asteroid and humans are only millions of years old. Safe forever? Seen this way. Sending people off-world is insurance. To first wave sent to die. Survivors suffer too. No sky. No green. No air. Red desert, solid. Would you die now for humanity's future? No fixed answer. But it's happening. Starships flying. Launch windows near. We're at history's pivot. Watching a madman's dream go real now. Decades from now, a Mars-born child seeing Earthrise will remember those who left, knowing never to return. They'd say, crazy, yet